In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format pictures in PowerPoint. We'll start by selecting the picture you want to work with. Click the image on your slide, and the Picture Format tab will appear across the ribbon. Think of this tab as your control center for everything from color tweaks to layout and effects. First, explore the Adjust group. Corrections lets you refine brightness, contrast, and sharpness so your image looks clear and balanced. Color gives you control over saturation and tone, and you can apply quick color filters to match your slide's mood. Artistic Effects offers creative looks like blur, paint, or sketch to change the style of your photo. If you're layering elements, use transparency to make the picture see-through so text or graphics behind it remain readable. Subtle adjustments usually look the most professional, and hovering over options previews the result before you commit. Next, resize and crop. Drag a corner handle to scale the picture proportionally without distortion. Use crop to trim unwanted areas or switch to a specific aspect ratio for consistency across slides. Fit and fill help you place the image neatly inside shapes. Fit shows the whole image, while fill covers the shape edge to edge. For fast polish, open picture styles, here you can add borders with custom colors, weights, or dashed lines, and apply preset frames or rounded corners. Choose styles that complement your design so your deck looks cohesive. To add depth and emphasis, go to Picture Effects. Shadow creates separation from the background. Reflection adds a mirror-like look. Glow introduces soft light around the image, soft edges gently blurs the outline, and 3D rotation gives a dynamic angle. Use these sparingly so your content stays the focus. Arrange controls the layout. Bring forward and send backward help you layer multiple items. Align precisely positions images and can evenly distribute them. Group locks several objects together so you can move or resize them as one. Rotate lets you turn or flip the picture for the perfect orientation. If your photo has a busy backdrop, try Remove Background. Adjust the selection to keep what matters and remove the rest, then click Keep Changes. High contrast between subject and background works best. To reduce file size, use compressed pictures. Pick a resolution like email, web, or HD and apply it to one or all images. For accessibility, right-click the image and choose Edit Alt Text, then describe the content clearly and concisely. If you ever want to undo everything, click Reset Picture to restore the original look. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.